and suddenly everything slows down. One moment you are in the city, the next you are not. The noise didn't follow me here, and just like that, it's quiet. Feels like the perfect place to start exploring. Hey everyone, welcome to High Park. Today, I'm taking you on a slow and peaceful visit to one of Toronto's most beautiful green spots. We will take our time, stroll through shaded trails, climb up to a beautiful garden, pause by the pond, and even stop for a little lunch at the cafe. It's a slow day, so no rush, just walking, noticing, and being present. Here's something you might not know, but this high park covers almost 400 acres, making it the largest public park in Toronto. It has a lot of walking trails, gardens, a pond, and yes, even a small zoo. We stopped here for a moment, caught in a patch of trees with our cameras out. A kind photographer pointed out a red bellied woodpecker hiding up in the branches. We couldn't quite catch it, but just spotting it, even for a second, was more than enough. Climbed more stairs than expected, but then this garden showed up like a reward. You don't have to do much here. Lying down here under the shade, with the pond right in front of you, this is the perfect spot to relax for a bit and forget about everything else for a while before moving on to the next spot. Stopped at Grenadier Cafe for a quick lunch. The cafe has been here for decades. You can grab something inside and enjoy it indoors or out on the patio. I have added the menu link in the description if you want to check it out. We just spotted something interesting near the cafe. Do you know what it is? It's not a maze, it's a labyrinth. One way in and one way out. This labyrinth is inspired by 13th century design from France. You can walk inside it slowly with a thought or just to clear your mind. Some people walk with questions, some walk to let go. You start walking and your mind begins to quiet. No rush to leave. Stay as long as you need. The whole area is so quiet, it naturally feels meditative. Walking out the same way, but feeling more at peace. If you are ever here, give it a try. Before heading out, we made a quick stop at the High Park Zoo. It's free to visit. It's a small zoo, mostly for kids, but you can see llamas, bison, peacocks, and a few other animals. That wraps up today's visit to Hyde Park. This is part of my Exploring Ontario Without a Car series. I have left all the links in the description, including the one for Grenadier Cafe's menu. Also, if you know of any other places in Ontario I should explore without a car, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for ideas.